Salam salam. Today we are going to learn days of the week in Amharic. Are you ready? Let's go. Monday. Seño. Seño. Say it with me. Seño. Tuesday. Macseño. 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 Wednesday. Normally we say Rabu, but you can use robe. 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 Thursday. Hamus. 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 Friday. Arb. A-R-B. Arb. Arb. Saturday. Qdame is an explosive sound. Qdame. Qdame. And the last one is Sunday, which is Ehud. 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 Repeat with me. Seño, Macseño, Rob, Hamus, Arb, Qdame, Ehud. Have a good day. Ciao, ciao.